So, good afternoon sir. Muna ako ang code candlestick. So, muna akong code diri So, diri na side is my candlestick chart. This project demonstrate siya how to create a candlestick chart using the synthetic financial data generated with Python. So, using the MPL Finance library, gamit mi og simulate stock data over a 30-day period. Apil na ang open, high, low, and close prices along with the volume. So the synthetic data was generated with random values to mimic realistic stock price movements. The chart was plotted with the MPL Finance plot function, displaying the candlestick chart with the Charles style. We include siya volume bars beneath the main chart. Each candlestick represents a day trading activity with the body showing the open close prices and the wicks representing the high and low prices. So nag-visualize siya, provides an effective way uh, to analyze sa iyang stock price movements and trading volume over time, making it a valuable tool for financial analysis even when using simulated data. So that's all.